In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a template to your Miro board. Whether you're collaborating with a team or planning out a personal project, mastering the use of templates can significantly enhance the efficiency and organization of your work on Miro. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to start by opening your Miro board. This is where all the magic happens, so make sure you've logged in and navigated to the board where you intend to add a template. Miro is an excellent platform for visual collaboration, and having your board set up and ready is crucial before proceeding to the next steps. Once you're in your Miro board, direct your attention to the left toolbar. Here, you'll find various tools available for your use, but today we're focusing on the templates icon. It's usually represented by a shape or a grid. It's hard to miss. Clicking this icon will allow you to explore Miro's vast template library. Templates can serve as the foundation for many types of projects, from brainstorming sessions to strategic planning. With the template library now open, take your time to browse through the selection. You may spot just the perfect template for your needs right away, but if not, there's a convenient search bar at the top. Use this feature to find something specific if you have a particular type of template in mind. Miro offers a wide variety of templates tailored to different needs, which can save you effort and accelerate your project setup. After browsing or completing your search, identify the template that best fits your requirements. Now it's time to select your chosen template. Upon selecting the template, you'll notice a button typically labeled Use Template or Add to Board. Clicking this button does exactly what it says. It seamlessly integrates the template into your open Miro board. Once the template successfully appears on your board, you're ready to customize it to fit your specific needs. Feel free to move it around on the board to position it exactly where you want. Miro templates are designed to be flexible, allowing you to adjust, edit, and personalize them as needed to align perfectly with your project goals. So, there you have it. Adding a template to your Miro board is straightforward and can be immensely beneficial for organizing your thoughts and ideas visually. Exploring and utilizing templates can make your workflow smoother and more efficient. I encourage you to experiment with different templates to find the best fit for your projects. Thanks for watching, and I hope this walkthrough helps you get the most out of your Miro experience. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Happy collaborating!